Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Ankita and today I will try to recreate Priyanka Chopra's look in the cover photo of her book Priyanka Chopra Jonas Unfinished. So this is a very simple makeup look, and for this look I'm gonna start with the sugar primer stick. And guys, it's a silicone based primer and it minimizes my pores and make a smooth blank canvas for foundation. For my foundation, I'm using Sugar Powder Clay SPF 20 BB Cushion Foundation. My shade is Teen Latte and it's a sheer to medium coverage foundation which is perfect for this look. And after blending my foundation, I'm gonna apply concealer to hide my dark circles and dark patches. And then I'm gonna set everything with this all set to go banana powder. I'm applying this powder with the help of a brush in my under eyes and mouth area. Then I'm gonna use the palette Contour D-Force 03, and at first I'm gonna apply the contour shade to contour my face and nose, and then I'm gonna apply the blush on my cheeks, and finally the highlighter to highlight my face a little bit. Next, move on to my brows, and for my brows I'm using Sugar Brow Powder. I'm using the shade 04. I really like this brow powder and the shade is perfect for my brows. For my eyes, I'm using Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 03, and I'm gonna use the plump mauve shade from the palette all over on my crease and the mauve nude shade all over on my eyelid, and finally the rose gold shade a little bit on the center of my eyelid just to highlight my eyes a little bit. And then I'm gonna blend everything so that it looks even, and then I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. And guys, here I'm using Sugar Double Matte Eyeliner in the shade 01 Black, and I'm just gonna draw a very thin line. And finally I'm applying my mascara, and for my mascara I'm using Sugar Lash Mauve Limitless Mascara, and this mascara gives a very good volume to my lashes and also makes it more visible. Now the last step is a lipstick, and for my lipstick I'm gonna use two crayons. The first one is a Sugar Matte as Hell crayon, and I'm gonna use the shade 12 Baby Housemate, and the second one is Sugar Plush Crush Creamy crayon, and the shade I'm gonna use 04 Red Rubble. And as in this picture, she had a kind of reddish plum lips, so I'm gonna use these two shades to get her kind of lips. And here is the final look. So I hope you will like this look, and if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and guys, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video soon. Till then, tata, bye.